Hi everyone. I hope you all are doing great today. In the last video, we talked about the details of the course curriculum, and I received very encouraging comments and responses from all of you. So thank you for that. This is very encouraging for me to go ahead and launch the course now, and that is what I'm going to talk about in this video. So stay put for another 2 to 3 minutes, and I'll share with you all of the details. So you already know the name of the course. It is Python Hands-On for Working Professionals. We have talked about why the name of the course is whatever it is right now. So I'm not going to talk much about this. The mode of the training is going to be online live classes. So what it means is we will be meeting over Zoom meetings, and we'll be interacting over these classes. You will be able to clarify your doubts by asking questions, and that is how we will proceed further with this. As part of this course, you will also have lifetime access to all the recorded videos of the live classes that you guys attend. And this is going to be truly lifetime access, no doubt about that. You will also have lifetime access to all the code and materials that we are going to use and demonstrate during the live classes. And we are also going to give you assignments that you will be able to access anytime later on as well that you wish. The duration of the classes are going to be 90 minutes, and this is going to include theory sessions, practical sessions, which are hands-on sessions, and it will also include question and answer sessions. Most of these classes are going to happen on Saturday and Sunday, and we are going to start our batch on 25th of July. The course duration is going to be around 3 months. At this point in time, I really don't know if we will be able to finish it within 3 months. But then these are not hard timelines set in my mind. If need be, and if people take more time to catch up or practice, we are free to even extend this by 2 to 4 weeks. So we will see how the course progresses and take it from there. As part of this course, we are not only going to interact only on Saturday and Sunday. You also get a chat support over Skype where you can actually ask your questions, where we will answer your questions, give you responses as soon as possible over a Skype chat. So that is the support model we are going to begin with, and we will see how we can further extend this. Now, further details of the course will I will be sending over to you guys one to one over an email. But for now, what you can do is if you're uh, interested in registering for the course, then you can either go to the link which is mentioned here, or you can scan this QR code which is appearing on your screen on the right side, and get started with the registration process. This is going to take you not more than 30 to 45 seconds. It will only ask you for your basic details like full name, email address, and the date of registration. Your phone number is optional there, so you can choose not to disclose your phone number. We only need your full name and email address. The link that you see on your screen, which is this one, the link for registration, I'm going to put this in the description of this video as well, so you can get it from there as well. So with that, guys, I'm pretty excited, all set to interact with you guys, and hope to see you all next Saturday, and we will take as it comes. Thank you, guys. Thank you all. Stay safe. Bye bye.